Discussing Carbonicum Homeopathic Medicine. Complete materia from Medica book. Kali Carbonicum. The homeopathic remedy ink. Carbonicum has a variety of uses, and you may find this remedy helpful in a number of situations. Ink carbonicum is a profound acting and the most basic of all remedies. It is one of the most important remedies for arthritis, respiratory tract infections, asthma, peptic ulcer, and even malignant. Kali carbonicum is used to treat asthma, back pain, bronchitis, runny nose, cough, pneumonia, and other conditions. It can also be used to create mucus in the chest that causes bronchitis or cough. Kali carbonicum relieves lower back pain, including back labor. It has certainly helped many women maintain their natural birth intentions, lower back pain management, and labor endurance skills. Also useful for women's menopause or menstrual problems. Ink curb. Usually, arthritis. Kali carb is very good for arthritis with too much growth and stitching pain. It is worse in the early morning and more cold and damp. Joints can become thick or deformed. Lower back pain. Ink curb is the preferred remedy for back pain that removes the patient from bed at night or changes position due to pain. Best for back pain when the pain worsens on the right side of the lower back and gradually increases with sitting or walking. Another indication for Kali carb is that the pressure in the area has brought relief. Asthma, cough, cold. Ink curb is probably one of the main remedies for asthma. Asthma is such that they cannot lie down. These should be pressed on the pillow. To breathe more easily, one must get up and lean forward. Usually, they wake up at 2 or 3 in the morning due to dry cough and runny nose. They must have open air during an attack, but coughing often occurs in the winter. Ink carbonicum is good for coughs and cold coughs, and it can be used to create mucus in the chest. Pneumonia. Kali carb is useful for dealing with pneumonia located at the base of the pelvis or left pneumonia. Kali carb's personality profile. Ink curbs can be a very helpful homeopathic remedy for those who possess their personality and are irritable. They often hate to be touched and have very common disagreements with others in their lives. While these are conservative and appropriate, there is still a great deal of sensitive motivation that cannot be easily controlled. They have higher levels of fear and anxiety that often come as a defense than anything else. Kali carb's materia medica. Mind, disappointed. Alternative mood. Very irritable, full of fear and imagination. Anxiety felt in the abdomen. Sensation as if the bed is sinking. Never want to be alone. Never calm or satisfied. Sensitive to obstructions and pain, noise, touch. Headache, turning headaches from walking in cold air. Breathing with dizziness. Sewing in the temple, pain in the seam, one-sided, with nausea, riding in the car. Feeling loose in the head. Great dryness of hair, fall, flu or AC, eyes, sewing in the eyes. Spots, gauze and black points in front of the eyes. It stick together in the morning. Swelling with the top ID like a small bag. Globular swelling in the arrows. Asthenopia. Poor eyesight from excessive sexual instincts. When closing the eyes, a mild painful sensation penetrates the brain. Ears, ear stitches. Itching, cracking, playing and roaring. Nose, in hot rooms, the nose is filled with thick, smooth, yellow discharge. Nasal dilation, spicule. Blow, runny nose, bloody nasal mucus. Raw nasal opening. Nose throat nasal congestion on morning face wash mouth. The gums separate from the teeth, pus out. Pyorrhea. Tongue white. Lots of saliva on the face regularly. Bad, thin taste. Throat, dry, parched, rough. Pain like a fishbone is hard to swallow. The food slowly goes down the esophagus. Mucus accumulates in the morning. Stomach, flatulence. Desire for sweets. Feeling we have run out of gas emotionally. Gagging. Dyspepsia in the elderly. Burning acidity, swelling. Gastric disorder from ice water. Encourage talk. Nausea, it is better to lie down. Feeling we have run out of gas emotionally. Sour vomiting, cut in the stomach. Annoyance for food. Anxiety felt in the abdomen. Externally sensitive epigastrium. Easy to hold your breath while eating. Epigastric pain in the back. Stomach, sutures in the area of the liver. Chronic liver problems, including pain. Depression and chills and jaundice and feverish stomach. Pain from the left hypochondrium through the abdomen. He must turn right before he can get up. Anus, large, hard stools with sewing pain an hour before. Hemorrhoids, large, swollen, painful. Itching, ulcerated pimples around the anus. Large discharge of blood with natural stools. Pain and hemorrhoids when coughing. Inflammation of the anus and rectum. Simple prolapse, graph, pod. Itching, ignat. Urination, I have to get up several times a night to urinate. Apply pressure on the bladder long before urinating. Urinary incontinence during cough, sneezing, etc. Male, complaints from the alliance lack sexual instinct. Excessive emissions, then weakness. Women, very early, with pain in the genitals, urination, calxy, or too late, pale end. Short, pain from the abdomen passes through the gluteal muscles, including the cut in the abdomen. Pain through the left labium, extending from the abdomen to the chest. Delayed menstruation in young girls with chest symptoms or ascites. Hard, first menstruation. Complaint after partition. Uterine bleeding, constant showers after heavy flow, with violent back pain, sitting and release by pressure. Breathing, chest pain, cut, bad lies on the right side. Decreased clarity in voice. Dry, hard cough around 3 in the morning, bronchitis with sneezing pain and dryness of the larynx. The whole chest is very sensitive, is small and strong, but increases in the morning and after eating, lying on the right lower chest, excited and painful side. Hydrothorax. Leaning forward relieves chest symptoms. The unbeliever must be swallowed up. Sticky taste, lots of, offensive, chilly chest chills. Coughing with wheezing, relaxed uvula. Propensity to tuberculosis, taking constant cold, good in warm climates, heart, sensation such that the heart is suspended. Expansion and inflammation in the heart region. Weak, fast pulse, intervenes due to digestive disturbances. Threatened heart failure, back, great fatigue. Suture in kidney and right scapular region. The back looks small and weak. Feelings of stiffness and paralysis in the back. Burning in the spine, guacamole. Severe back pain during pregnancy and after abortion. Pain in the hip nets and thighs and hip joints, extends up and down the lumbago back and up to the ribs with sudden excruciating pain. Extreme, out on the back and legs. The instability becomes heavier and the limbs tear and shake. Pain in the limbs with swelling. Stress-sensitive organs. White swelling in the knees. Tear in the arm from shoulder to shoulder. Lasering in the wrist joint paralyzes old people and drops all affection. The limbs sleep easily. The toes and fingertips are painful. The floors are very sensitive. Itching of the fingers, including pain. Pain from hips to knees. Knee pain. Skin, burning from mustard plaster. Sleep, faint after eating. Sleeps for about 2 hours and can't sleep again. Forms, worse, after quotation, cold weather, from soup and coffee, about 3 hours in the morning, lying on the left and painful side. Good in hot weather, though humid, during the day, almost moving time. I finished the video.